Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm Cheryl here, and today we are talking about branding your emails and email newsletters. I bet you've experienced this scenario before. You sit down, you log into your email marketing platform, you're excited to share some news to your audience about your business, you start designing, making it all look good, and hours go by, and it still looks nothing like your brand. The fonts aren't matching, the colors aren't right. It just doesn't look good. And at this point, you're over it. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Canva integration on Flodesk to quickly and beautifully stay on brand with your emails in minutes. Especially if you are already familiar with using Canva to design your brand graphics, this tutorial will be a game changer. Let's get started. All right, so before we get started, we need to sign up for Flodesk first. If you don't already have an account, you can head to the description of this video and I will have a referral link for you there, which would give you 50% off your first year of subscription of Flodesk. This is their current plans right now, so they are no tiers and no limits. It's an unlimited plan right now. Basically, you pay this one price per month. If you sign up for annual or monthly, it'll be this amount. The price might depend on where you are signing up from as well. But basically, every month you pay this price and you get unlimited emails and unlimited subscribers, which is very, very different from a lot of different email platforms. However, here's a scoop. Flodesk is officially saying goodbye to their unlimited plan that you see here, which means that the last chance to lock in this price is at the end of November. While your subscription remains active, you are going to continue to pay that unlimited set price every month. So if you are on the brink of switching over to Flodesk, like you're not sure if this is the right platform, but you're kind of testing it out, make sure to sign up and start paying before November 28th, because once it's gone, it's gone. They're going to be changing their pricing to tier-based, and I don't exactly know what the new pricing is going to be, but it will probably be more than this if you get to a certain subscription level. So lock in this price right now. You get 50% off this price that you see right here with my referral link. So head to my description and sign up now. All right, now that you have your Flodesk account, I am going to look at the Canva integration with you. So this is my Flodesk account, and for the sake of this video, we are just going to be using one of my Flodesk email newsletter templates. You can get this whole template for free in my Flodesk Made class. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about the Flodesk Made class later in this video. This is a little look at my Flodesk newsletter template. I've already pre-styled a lot of things. On Flodesk, if you've been using it for a while, you know you can set your brand settings, add in your brand colors, upload your brand fonts, and put in your logo at the top or header banner situation in your settings. And then within each email, you can actually go to the right side here and you can change up all of the styling. So add in your brand fonts and add in your photos, or go in here and change the color of the font and that kind of stuff. And they have beautiful layouts. But on top of that, today we're going to actually look directly into the Canva integration and how you can use the Canva integration to bring in your brand elements. So we're going to explore three things. We have a custom button. So these are not custom right here, but let's say this button right here, these are styled within Flodesk, but we can actually create custom buttons on Canva and then bring them in here. The second thing is we're going to explore custom section headers or dividers. And then the third thing is we're going to create a little custom mockup. Like you see here, this is not custom. So we're going to actually go into Canva and create a custom mockup for that. So first off, let's look at buttons. To add a Canva image, you can actually add a block here, and we're going to click on image. And then when you go into here, you're going to select, instead of uploading it from your computer, we are actually going to click on Canva here. And just in case you are not seeing this Canva button, you actually have to activate it in your settings. So if you go into integrations here in your settings, you will see Canva, and that's how you're going to unlock the Canva integration. So we're going to go back into the newsletter, and then we are going to head into the Canva integration, and we're going to click on Add Design here. Now I have already pre-designed some images or graphics for this tutorial to make it faster, and I've named it Flodesk so that I can find it quickly. This is one example of a custom button that you can design on Canva, and all you have to do is, once you have that design, you can click on Import as Image and bring that right into Canva directly. So it's super easy, and then now you can just click on link here and add the URL that this button goes to, and you have a custom button. So I'm going to show you really quickly what that will look like if you were to create a new image. So let's say you don't have an image at all. We can create a new image in Canva, and we're going to resize this. So the width of your emails is always 600 pixels. So for little graphics like this, I definitely just stick to 600 pixels. And the height will depend on what you're designing. So for a button, it's quite a narrow, like not a very high image. So I'm going to resize this image to 100 pixels high. And then the background color, you're going to want to pick the same color as the background of your email. So we're going to click on this, and let's just say this is the color of the background of your email. If you keep it white, you can keep it white. But it's important that this is the same color as your email background. And then we're going to add in some elements. So you can do different things to create this button. How I designed the button that you saw earlier was this little frame right here. So you can look up frames, and this will pop up. So I just clicked on one of these simple square frames. And in this frame, you can put in any graphics. So if you want to go into your brand elements, you can click on your brand, and if you go into my graphics, I have these little like textured patterns, and then I'm just going to add some text. So again, I can use my brand fonts, and I will just say click here. I can style it however I need to for my brand. There is my new custom button. So this looks good to me. I'm going to click on return to Flodesk. And actually, before I do that, I'm going to rename this. I'm going to call this Flodesk button 2. And I'm going to return to Flodesk. And this is going to bring this image directly into your newsletter. All right, so there you go. We have this button all set up here. Now I didn't match the color of the background properly, but next time I would definitely do that. And then all you have to do is click on link and put in your URL there. And now you have a beautiful custom button in your emails. All right, so that's your button. So now you can kind of see, right, how you might be able to bring some of your brand elements right into your emails. There are so many things you can do, but these are just some of the ideas that I'm giving you in this video. So that's your buttons. The next thing I want to show you is a divider. So this is right now just like a line, but I actually want to bring in like a custom like header kind of section divider here. So again, we are going to head into Canva. Again, I've also pre-designed this so that we can do this faster, but I'm just gonna go look for it. And there you go. So this is something that I designed on Canva, and it is my weekly favorite section. So there we go. We have a custom section divider already pre-designed, and with one click you can bring it into your emails. Again, please match the background color with the background color of your emails, and then it would kind of flow in seamlessly. The last thing I'm going to show you is a mock-up. Let's say this image you know, this is not a custom image and you want a similar image but with a screenshot of, I don't know, your website or something. We're gonna head into Canva again. We're gonna create a new design. And let's see, why don't we create a background image first? We're gonna look up iPhone mockup. So if you look up mockups, there are different types of mockup. Let's see which one is matching our aesthetic here. I think this one looks pretty nice. Okay, this looks really nice. Something that I might use for my brand. I think it's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this bigger so that it actually uses up the whole screen space. And then I'm going to go into my branding again, and I'm gonna look up a photo. You can take a screenshot, let's say of your website or whatever like screenshot you want to share. Let's just say this is an image that's similar to what's on my website. So I'm gonna bring this image in and I'm gonna actually just drag this right into this mockup design. And there we go. We have an image that is populated right into this mockup. And then again, we're going to return to Flodesk. Oh, best practices, we should name this phone mockup. And then we're going to return to Flodesk and bring this image right into your emails. There we go. So now we have this beautiful mockup. You can use this for anything, a screenshot of your website, a screenshot of your YouTube video, your blog post, your tutorial, whatever you want to share, and easily design it on Canva and instantly bring it into your emails. Like, it's actually just mind-blowing how easy that was. And now you can create emails that look and feel completely on brand. And that's it. That's how you can use the Canva integration in Flodesk to design your emails so that they feel on brand again. If you enjoyed this tutorial, this was actually just a tiny snippet of my bigger Skillshare class, Flodesk Made, Design and Launch Your Email Marketing System. In this class, I will be walking you through everything from the beginning to make emails feel effortless, on brand, and effective. We will be using my 4-part email system. We're gonna start off by creating an opt-in form so that people can sign up for your emails. Then we're gonna be creating your lead magnet delivery so that people can feel encouraged to enter your list. And then we're gonna be designing your automated email sequence. And finally, we are gonna be designing your reusable email newsletter template. By the end of this class, you will have an email marketing system that just works and makes sending emails feel fun again. The link of the Skillshare class can be found in the description below. With that link, you will get a 30-day free trial if you're new to Skillshare. And with that 30-day free trial, you can take this class, all my other classes, and all the thousands of other creative classes on the Skillshare platform to upgrade your life and your business today. Anyways, thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope to see you in class. All right, bye.